Hello traders, in this video we're going to review the situation on pound dollar. Today is Thursday, August 26th. As usually, we're going to start with a website service called Winners and Losers. It helps you to quickly understand what is currently happening in the markets. So right now you can see that the commodity currencies are gaining almost 0.2%. and the Japanese yen is losing 0.32%. If we will pay attention to pound dollar, we can see that there was some strength behind the pound, so almost gaining 0.2%. And the dollar was relatively flat over the last 24 hours. If we will check the situation over the week, so we can see that the British pound is one of the losers. However, the US dollar has lost more, almost twice more, 0.61%. And here we also have a clear winner. It's the New Zealand dollar gaining slightly more than 1%. I think it will be useful to pay attention to the next chart that shows you the progress of the currencies. So I'm going to switch the period to 1 week, and we can pay attention to the British pound. It's the pink color right here. So, and you can see that it was one of the losers over the last 5 years, but there is some momentum starting from August 25th, when it started to dominate two more currencies, the Japanese yen and the British and the US dollar. And the US dollar, as you can see on the chart, it has been a bit stronger than some other currencies, but situation changed sharply starting from August 2023, and still the US dollar is the loser of the market. So the main movements on the pound dollar can be attributed to the weak US dollar and to some small momentum in the British pound that we saw yesterday. So a quick look on the agenda. Today we're expecting a preliminary estimation for the GDP in the US, and we're expecting unemployment claims, which are very important in the given environment. The Fed pays special attention to the employment situation, so we can expect some volatility today at this time. Both events occur at the same time, but the main events will happen tomorrow, when we will have personal spending, personal income, and we will have the conference by Jerome Powell. We're going to speak more about these events tomorrow. Let's pay attention to the charts. We're going to start with the daily chart. We can see that we have a very wide range, and the situation looks pretty neutral on the daily chart. We have a pretty strong rebound at those levels, starting from 136. It's been a really strong support level, as we can see. And if we're going to switch to a 4-hour chart, here we can see that we have some upside bias at the moment, and there's still potential to go higher and even to reach the level of 138. So probably today we might try to test this level, and also watch out another level on the euro dollar. It's 118. Probably the early breakout in one of those levels might mean the breakout on another currency pair. So in my opinion, we have some symmetry on pound dollar and euro dollar. So probably if we're going to see a strong movement here, it's going to also happen on the euro dollar. However, in this session, probably we will not have any volatility before the US session. Right now, the markets are pretty flat, and the main movements will occur tomorrow. So that's why for today's session, we do not have any particular trading recommendations. So the flat position is also a strong position, and it doesn't involve any risk. So this video was brought to you by Finteria Markets. Please leave your comments and questions, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel in order not to miss the following videos and trading recommendations. Thank you for watching.